Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, June 29th, 2026 at 09:36, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's Outlook, we've got an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and western Minnesota. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and eastern South Dakota, I should say, much of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and southeastern Nebraska. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of northern Kansas, southern to northeastern, Nebraska, eastern to western South Dakota, central North Dakota, parts of central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. We also have another marginal risk over here that encompasses western Texas and southeastern New Mexico and western Oklahoma. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we've got a 5% hatched area risk that encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota and western Minnesota. We have a 2% that encompasses central North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, western Wisconsin, southeastern South Dakota as well, northwestern Iowa, and southeastern Nebraska. So we do have those areas under a 5% or 2% today, We have Fargo, Grand Forks, Moorhead, West Fargo, and Jamestown under the significant severe, as well as the 5%. And Omaha, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, and Duluth under the 2%. So for the 5% hatched area, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today. 2% we could see a EF0 tornado possible today, so please be mindful of that today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30% level 2 that encompasses northeastern South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, and extreme western Minnesota. We have a 30% level 1 that encompasses eastern North Dakota and western Minnesota. And we have a 15% hatch that encompasses eastern North Dakota, southeastern and eastern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, and northeastern Nebraska. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of southern Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, eastern to central North Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 15% normal. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of northern Kansas, northeastern Nebraska, eastern to western South Dakota, central North Dakota, central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. And we also have a 5% over here that encompasses western western Texas, southeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma, and extreme southern Kansas. So we do have those areas under a 5% for today. So we have Fargo, Moorhead, Aberdeen, West Fargo, and Wahpeton under the level 2. Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Fargo, and Sioux City under the level 1. Fargo, Moorhead, Aberdeen, West Fargo, and Wahpeton under the 30%. Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Duluth, and Sioux City under the 15%. And Omaha, Lincoln, Lubbock, Midland, and Rochester under the 5%. So for the 30% level 2 area, we could see 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, as well as the 30% level 1. 30% level 1, I actually would say more of 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% hatch, we could see 60 to 75 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that today. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses northern South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, eastern to central North Dakota rather, and western to central Minnesota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of southern to central Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and northeastern Nebraska. We have a 5% that encompasses northern Kansas, northeastern Nebraska. We have a 5% hatch. Okay, then. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of central, what state's that? South Dakota, And we have a 5% normal that encompasses northern Kansas, northeastern Nebraska, eastern South Dakota, eastern and western South Dakota, western central North Dakota, central Iowa. Oh, there's the reset. I did not even do that. Central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Fargo, Bismarck, Grand Forks, Moorhead, and Aberdeen under the significant severe. Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Fargo, and Duluth under the 15%. And Omaha, Lincoln, Rochester, Eau Claire, and Council Bluffs under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. 5% hatched, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch diameter hail possible today. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms capable of an intense swath of severe wind gusts are likely across northeast South Dakota into northwest Minnesota through midday. Later today, severe thunderstorms are possible from parts of the northern plains into the upper Midwest. Large hail and severe winds are the primary concerns, though a couple of tornadoes may also occur. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though you may be in a marginal risk today, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware, stay safe, and I will go over the day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.